Hey, what's up everybody? Steve here with Speed Kings. We're here today with Biltwell's Moto Glove. Just recently they released a couple new colors that are pretty fucking awesome. So we want to go over those new colors and showcase the glove themselves. Show you the quality of these things, how nice they fit, and why we use them. These gloves are really nice, have a lot of great features. From the leather palm to the reinforced thumb area for your grips. Even available with Tech Touch, so you can text on the go or whatever you gotta do. You have your expandable knuckles right here for better dexterity. You really can't go wrong with these gloves at all. Nice, easy Velcro strap. They slip right on. They fit great, they look great, they breathe. They're a great glove all around. I like these gloves, we wear these gloves, we use these gloves. So what you're gonna wanna do now is you're gonna wanna go ahead and place your hand into the glove firmly. Once you feel like your hand is in place, go ahead and strap that Velcro strap back closed and you're ready to send it.